Crypto Hero here, and today I'll share with you the top 5 coins that I'm really interested in accumulating before the bull run comes. The 5 coins that, in my perspective, will do extremely well and will increase a lot when we pass the bear phase. Of course, these coins aren't the only ones that will grow in the long term. These are just the ones that I'm looking at currently. Before that, I want to show you a coin that's increased by 60% since I last shared it here on the channel. Again, taking into consideration the bear market. As you can see in this video, I've talked about Aptos, and now it's 60% up, and it seems like the coin wants to make another all-time high. If any of you have invested, I'd suggest, once the coin doubles, to withdraw the initial investment so you're risk-free. Now let's get to the topic of the video. We're starting this list with a project that is ranked number 41 on CoinMarketCap called Arbitrum with its coin ARB. As you know, Ethereum is the main blockchain for running smart contracts, but of course, it has its limitations, and that's where Arbitrum comes in. It's an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution which stimulates smart contract transactions, reducing their cost 7 times. We know that Vitalik Buterin, the creator of Ethereum, said that these Layer 2 projects are the solution for Ethereum, which isn't that scalable. In my perspective, I see Ethereum the second coin after Bitcoin, the most important one. You can call it like the future of the internet because you can build lots of things on it, and again, here comes Arbitrum to help Ethereum scale more and more. If Ethereum does well in the next bull market, imagine what Arbitrum's run will look like, taking into account that the project is new and all investors' eyes are on the new listed projects. Same thing happened to Matic, from some cents to $3 in the bull run. You know all this will happen if Ethereum has another great run, like in the last bull cycle. The project was launched on all exchanges on the 23rd of March, 2022, which can't suggest anything but the strength of the project and how big it is. Looking at the chart, we can see that the price has been rejected from the $1 zone and will probably hit again the 75-cent zone, which for sure is a great buy. Lower zones that I look to have stronger buys are 62 cents and 50 cents. I'll accumulate the project as much as I can, and to make a prediction, I'd say at least 20-fold in the bull phase. By the way, guys, I've released a crypto portfolio guide for budgets ranging from $3,000 to $5,000. As many of you have asked me, how would I invest in this bear market to make lots of money if I had anywhere between $3,000 or $5,000 available to invest. You'll get a 12-page PDF where you can find the coins to invest in, how much to invest in every coin, and buy and sell zones. It's available now for $50, link in the description. Another project that's taking part in the next bull market is Humans.ai. You know that everyone is talking about AI at the moment, but imagine how big the impact will be once we're in the bull market. Everything will be at another scale. The project is launched on Ethereum, but what is interesting is the fact that Humans.ai has launched their own blockchain on the 28th of May, and on the 17th of October, the bridge will be done so all users can transfer their coins from the Ethereum blockchain to the Humans.ai blockchain. As you can see, the project has $44 million as market cap. It is a pretty little project, which means once people find out about it, the return of investment can be up to 100-fold. What I recommend, at least what I do, is to choose a big AI project like Render, GRT, and have a second one that can multiply your money more, even by 100 times, as I said. As once the AI narrative is back, and I'm sure it will be, the projects with lower market cap will have the best ROI. You can take this project into consideration as a second, or Atlas Navi, which I've talked about in some past videos, or of course, whatever project you like. Back to Human.ai, if the project can hit its targets and get a big hype in the AI narrative, the price increase will be something else. We all know that the stock market is high at this moment because of companies that work on AI like Nvidia. Next one I'm looking at is Optimism with its OP coin. New, fresh coin, a Layer 2 coin, which has the same targets as Arbitrum. The activity on their chain is growing, the fees are close to $0, again, which is helping Ethereum scale a lot. If we go to DeFi Llama, we can see Arbitrum, we've talked about, on number 4, and then we see Optimism at number 6, with 190 protocols and over 73,000 active users. These kinds of new coins that have launched before the next bull market will always have the biggest chance to get the highest ROI. I know that Arbitrum and Optimism have pretty much the same targets, but I'm still looking to accumulate both of them, as you never know which one will have the biggest hype. Looking at the price chart, we can see that Optimism is strong, being in an uptrend as you can see, and we'll probably see some increase in price in the short term. First buy zone being at $1.17, where my target is to take 10% of the sum I'm able to invest in the project, as I feel like we could get a better price if we wait some more time. Only 10% because the high risk reward here isn't that high. Then we have the 64 cents support and the following one at 40 cents, where the bottom actually is. But Optimism seems strong at the moment at least. Getting back at the bottom would mean an 87% decrease in price, which is pretty far. Not sure if we'll get the chance, but my money will be ready. As price prediction, I can see this one doing around 25-fold sold, at least more than Arbitrum because Optimism has a lower market cap, but of course don't take these price predictions as 100% accurate. Moving forward, the next coin is Aptos with its APT coin. Aptos is a layer 1 proof-of-stake blockchain that employs a novel smart contract programming language called Move, a Rust-based programming language that was independently developed by Meta's DM blockchain engineers. Why I think the coin can do great in the next bull market is because, in my perspective, it's the favorite project for the Asian side, for China. We all know what happened with China at the beginning of the year, and moreover that the Asian side is more and more involved in the crypto space. More interestingly, we saw a 7-fold increase, increasing from $3 to $21 just because of China and the Asian side. When China wakes up and makes some strong buys in the crypto space, I see Aptos as their second choice after Bitcoin. It's a fresh coin, launched in October last year, almost a year ago. Aptos, in my perspective, is here to stay and to grow nicely in the bull. A really great buy zone would be the one around $3 if we get the change again. What's important is that FTX have some APT that they'll sell, and with a great pressure from sellers, we can see this level again. As you can see, the coin has to decrease by 41% to get to the $3 support zone. Right now, the coin is in the support zone where you can buy if you have not APT. Moreover, some big resistance zones are the ones between $7.58 and $8.19. The $9.80 zone and the zone between $13 and $14. Last coin that I'm accumulating this bear, and I can see it having a great future, is SUI, or as I call it, SUI, placed at number 86 on CoinMarketCap. SUI is a layer 1 decentralized blockchain and smart contract platform designed from the bottom up to make digital asset ownership fast, private, secure, and accessible to everyone. Its object-centric model, based on the Move programming language, really unique, enables parallel execution, sub-second finality, and rich on-chain assets. Right now, it's the fastest blockchain on the market. That's how they're promoting themselves. Of course, there'll be a faster blockchain as everyone is improving and new projects are joining the market. I remember Multiverse X being one of the fastest blockchains a long time ago, then Solana and the following new projects have passed them as the technology is improving extremely fast. A key element of this project is that they have been launched through Binance Launchpad, and when you have such a big player behind you in this game, it's a big advantage. Every coin that's been launched through Binance Launchpad had a strong bull market if we look at the history, which I think is a strong plus for SUI. At the moment, the market cap for SUI is around $351 million. Taking a look at this market cap, we can say that it is a risky project, but if the project turns out to be a successful one, the gains will be impressive. Looking at the chart on a bigger time frame, weekly, we can see that the coin had a pump when it got listed, and now we see a decrease in price. As the coin is fresh, we can't really see some buy zones. That's why personally I'm DCAing, investing a percentage allocated for the project every time the coin decreases by 10 to 20%. As resistance zones, we can see the first one where already the price was rejected, 50 cents, and then we have the resistance zone around $1. So these are the top 5 crypto projects I'm buying before the bull run, and if you want to see the top 4 coins to buy in October, check out this video.